Hi everyone, Vince here. Welcome back to another video. Guys, today I'll be showing you how you can earn money for every single photo or video that you take on the website Shutterstock. Please remember to hit like and subscribe to help support my channel, everyone. Be sure to drop a comment and follow my free newsletter so you never miss out on an upload again. Thank you so much for your support. Now, you might be thinking, what exactly is Shutterstock? Shutterstock is an online platform that allows you to upload not only your images, but your videos and music tracks. Plus, if you do 3D modeling, you can actually upload your models to it as well. So then each time that your asset is downloaded, you actually earn money. That's right, everyone. Every single time someone actually downloads your asset, you will get paid a certain percentage of what Shutterstock sells your asset for. What you are seeing at the moment is the trending page on Shutterstock. So these assets right here have all been uploaded by real people, everyone. Pretty much what you're looking at is a live marketplace right now of not only images, but videos and soundtracks available for you to purchase out there. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you the basics of uploading a photo to Shutterstock and what you can expect on your journey of earning money on Shutterstock. I want to get straight into the earning system of Shutterstock so you guys know exactly what you're getting yourself into, okay? As you can see on the screen right now, there are two different sections here. The first section is the earnings breakdowns for photos, illustrations, and vector art. The second breakdown here is just for pure video content. So these breakdowns do matter, of course, because you get a different percentage cut for each of the content that you upload to Shutterstock. So depending on if you upload photos or videos, your earnings will be different. Shutterstock has a level-based earning system where essentially the more that you sell on Shutterstock, the more that Shutterstock will reward you with a high percentage of the profits for your sale. You won't earn 100% of the profits, everyone, for your sales. Shutterstock will take a percentage of them, which is showcased on this percentage table that you're about to see. Something to keep in mind here as well, everyone, is that you don't set the price yourself. Shutterstock does do that all on their end. Depending if your photo has been downloaded for either commercial use, aka an advertisement or videos, or just personal use, will affect the payment rate. So your earnings will depend on how the buyer uses your video or photo. Every photo sale, all the way up to 100 sales, you will only earn a 15% cut of the profit. And as you can see on this list, the more sales you make, the more higher of a percentage commission you'll earn for each sale. So if you manage to sell 25,000 images in 1 year, you'll get a cut of 40% of the sale price. Whereas on the videos, all you need is just to sell 10 videos to actually get past that 15% earnings rate to then allow you to earn 20% from 11 videos to 50 and so on and so on. As you can see, the video rate is a lot more easier from what I can tell than the photo rate earlier on. But in that regards, it's probably harder to actually sell videos. Hopefully that makes sense, everyone. That just covers the photo and video portion of Shutterstock. I won't be getting into the soundtrack portion as I've never really experimented with that before. Let's just say I'm a buyer, okay, and I'm looking at this photo here of the samurai with the dragon in the background. I like this image, so I want to buy it. And what I want you to believe here is that you're the actual creator of this artwork. As the buyer, I would click on your artwork. As you can see, it looks all nice and pretty, but then I would press download. Now that I've pressed download, Shutterstock shows me the actual purchasing area. This area here will depend on how much you're going to earn as a seller. If I, as a buyer, chose to use the enhanced license, that will cost me $100. So everyone, going back to that percentage part, technically you would have to use the level 1 percentage earnings, which is 15% of $99. So all you need to do is pretty much compare the selling level that you're on to the price of the Shutterstock image. So for me to download this as like a personal use, it's going to cost around $2.76, which means you would get 15% of $2.76. Whereas if I was to buy this for commercial use, it would cost me $100, which means that you guys out there would get $15 of $100. Something to keep in mind here as well is that there are on-demand packs. So these are different certain set of prices for your images. So you have subscriptions and then you have the on-demand packs. These subscriptions are per month payment plans and on-demand packs that last up to a year if I recall correctly. Now, here we have a video of the same image, but it's animated, okay? The fact that this is a video, guys, completely changes the price of the product. If you are able to sell a video on Shutterstock, you will make a very nice profit. As you can see, I've just added the video to my cart, and it's going to cost me $109, everyone. And because the seller uploaded it in 4K, that can go up to $250. Now, even on the most basic plan of 15% of a level 1 seller, that is a very nice paycheck for simply uploading a video to Shutterstock. Those prices though are nothing compared to the editorial prices. This is for people that want to upload professional photos of, let's say, celebrities or landmarks, everyone. You wait till you see these prices. So this is the editorial page. Check out the prices on these photos, guys. So here's a professional photo of Ronaldo. I like this photo, I want to buy it. Let's hit download and see the price. For me to use this on my website or news article, essentially, it will cost me $279 for the single image. If I want to download all the photos that this guy took of this soccer game, it will cost me $3,500, which is huge, everyone. Could you imagine having a commission plan of just 15% on that? Not only that, imagine if you're actually like a level 6 earner that is allowed to keep 40% of those earnings. Something you have to remember, guys, is once you upload something onto Shutterstock, it's there forever. So essentially, you can earn passively as long as your content is good enough to be purchased. Let's just say you have a whole bunch of beach photos that you took and you believe that are very professional, okay? So no blurriness, no pixelation, none of that, just a really crisp, nice beach shot. Let's see what's available on Shutterstock. Now, remember, there is competition on Shutterstock, so you will be going up against other sellers, so your photo really has to stand out. But for now, let's just write beach blue water. Okay, I want to see a beach with some blue water. There we go, bang. These are all professionally taken photos, guys. Look at these. These are awesome, dude. As you can see, though, these photos are not taken with just a generic phone, guys. You really need to have a high-quality device that can take photos. Whether it be a single-shot camera or your mobile phone, there cannot be any blurriness. And the cool thing about Shutterstock is that they tell you how popular a certain photo is, so then you guys might want to actually start doing those type of photos as well, because you know there's buyers for them. I highly recommend you guys get a tripod if you want to upload anything to Shutterstock with a single shot camera. Shutterstock has some of the strictest rules when it comes to what they allow on their website, so please keep this in mind. What you're seeing right here is the seller dashboard. So this is exactly what you're going to see once you've signed up as a contributor on Shutterstock. So you'll have your earnings on the top right corner of the screen. This is of course updated every 15 minutes to reflect any sales you've done on Shutterstock. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the upload content button. Then you'll also see the actual portfolio for your account, whether it be all the images you've uploaded or the videos you've uploaded. Let me show you exactly how many photos I've uploaded to Shutterstock. These photos here are very generic and basic, alright? I just ended up taking my camera out and taking random photos. I actually ended up taking this photo with my mobile phone, funny enough. And what's so funny to me, everyone, is that I don't even actually remember taking these photos. I uploaded them so long ago. But some of them do look quite pretty, but sadly none of them did sell. So if anyone out there wants to buy one, then feel free to do it. Now everyone, it's time to actually upload to Shutterstock. Let's hit the upload content button. For this demonstration, I'll be doing the photos I've taken on some of the trips I went on last year. So what you're seeing on the screen now are the images that I've selected to be uploaded to Shutterstock. Let's hit next now that they're all processed. Now this part here can be a little bit tricky if you've never done it before. What Shutterstock is asking us to do now is to essentially title and tag so people can find it on the Shutterstock platform. I've just selected the first image here of some nice palm trees. So as you can see, it does have image type and usage. So these photos are not illustrations, aka like 3D models or anything. They're real life photos. So I'm gonna leave it as photos. photo and I'm going to leave it as commercial use because it's not an editorial piece of content. I don't think it's going to be newsworthy. For the description, it says write at least 5 words. So this is where I generally look at the photo and just describe what's in the photo. It's pretty straightforward, everyone. I literally just wrote green palm trees with blue sky and sun in the background. Now what you can do is also check out your competition. So literally search up the exact image you're going to upload. So if you're uploading pasta, type in pasta and kind of get a feel of how your competition is labeling their stuff. But for now, this is just a basic demonstration. So now we have to pick the category of the photo. I'm going to first of all choose, let's see here everyone, nature. So I'm going to go category 1, nature. Category 2 is optional. I mean, I don't know what else I can really choose here. I mean, we have nature, parks and outdoor perhaps. Yeah, we'll go, I guess, parks and outdoor for now. I mean, that's just completely a broad stroke there. Then it has location if you want to really get specific, but I'm just going to leave that out for now. Now there is a more options section here if you want to label it mature content, or you can leave notes for the reviewer, okay? Something cool about Shutterstock is that they actually recommend keywords for you. So I'm literally just going to attach all of the suggested keywords, guys, because that's what Shutterstock believes I should be using. You can also hit the find more keywords button here, and then you can get keywords from photos that literally are relevant to yours. So do you know how much time this actually saves, guys? I've literally just clicked on 3 photos there and it's generated new keywords for me. So I'm going to add them all and then I'm going to take out the ones that are not relevant. So Shutterstock will actually remove your content or even ban your account if you use misleading tags. So please keep that in mind. I am going to try and aim for 50 keywords on every photo. At the moment, there is a limit of 50 keywords per photo, so I'm going to try and max this out right now, everyone, okay? Alright, so I've just maxed out the keywords, and now I'm just going to go attach. That's it. Simple as that, everyone. Done. So now we have a full list of keywords for our photo. Now all we need to do is literally just press submit, which I've just done now. So now it's actually submitting that one photo. Simple as that. It is now under review to be reviewed by the Shutterstock staff. Once it's reviewed, and if Shutterstock find no problems with the photo, it will be live. And then people can actually start buying our photos or videos if you're uploading videos. So now what I'm going to do is finish off uploading the rest of the photos, and we'll be back in a second to check out what can go wrong if you upload a photo that Shutterstock rejects. Okay everyone, every single photo that I just uploaded has now been sent for review for the Shutterstock staff. If you have uploaded an image that gets rejected, this is what you'll end up seeing. Here are some of the rejection reasons I actually received while uploading previously on Shutterstock. I had a keyword rejection. Apparently what I was showing on the screen wasn't relevant to my keywords. I then had a photo get rejected for similar content because I uploaded a photo that looked like a previous one I already uploaded before. Now this is exactly what you'll see if you get rejected on Shutterstock. This is what the reviewers will show you guys. They'll actually give you a reason, which is nice. The bottom rejection reason is for noise and film grain. You're going to get this a lot, okay? What this means is essentially your photo was not clear enough with the focus, or perhaps you moved the camera while you were taking the shot. That's why a tripod is so important, okay? But once your photo is live, it stays there permanently, okay? So then hopefully you'll generate some sales as long as you're taking photos or making videos on things that people or businesses are looking for. Now Shutterstock does pay in various formats. The one that I use myself though is PayPal, everyone. The thing is though, I'm yet to make a sale on Shutterstock. And that's the thing that you guys have to understand out there. Unless you post videos or photos that people are going to want to buy, you're not going to earn anything on Shutterstock. This is what other people don't tell you. It's a very competitive market. Never going to know if you can actually make a sale or not. That's why you have to upload various different content. You can't just upload 10 photos or videos. You'll more than likely have to upload hundreds or thousands, guys, to actually start making a decent profit on the side with Shutterstock. What you're seeing on the screen now is public payment proof available on Google Images. This is not my own, but I truly believe that Shutterstock is a great way to earn if you love taking photos or making videos in real life, or of course drawing on 3D images or making songs. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I've given you some sort of insight into Shutterstock. Please remember to hit like and subscribe. Be sure to follow my channel for more money making videos every single day. I'll catch you around, everyone. Stay safe out there. See you next time.